Hi guys, welcome to the Riuland here at the Riu Ocho Rios here in Jamaica. And you know you are chilling with your girl superhero JJ and your girl Antonia here in the building. As you all know, we have the Riuland where we do arts and craft. We have fun and game activities for the kids. We have water park activities. We have sand art activities. Jamaica is a place for you guys to come and have a wonderful time. I am telling you, the Riu Ocho Rios, I am telling you, your vacation, your home away from home, your vacation spot, Jamaica 2022. Yes, superhero JJ here in the building. She's having fun as always, as you can see. Ow, period.
Daddy, watch this.
You're gonna race me back. What? You gonna touch that?
Daddy, can you put me over there?
Okay. There's some cheese going on here.
I'll tell you when to stop. Over there. Over there. No, oh, close over there. Over there. There. No, come on. Come through. No, come through there. Then come through there. Over there. No. Then you come from there. Over there. Wow! And then you come from. You pass that daddy. And then you pass. And then you go over there. And then